Properties of the different states of matter, part 2. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about liquids. Liquids share a property with gases. They have no definite shape. However, the particles that make up the liquids tend to stick together, unlike gas particles. Liquids take the shape of their container. Liquids will occupy the lowest part of any container, but gases will expand to fill any container that they are in, like you see in these videos. Liquids have much greater densities than gases. This is because the particles in liquids are still very close to each other, like they are in solids, because the particles in liquids are close together. They are and they move at random.